Hello, travelers. This is Sean, KVS Travel. I want to review our recent trip. So we were in the Dominican Republic recently. We stayed at our favorite place, Secrets Cap Cana. When you book with us, Secrets Cap Cana is even better than it normally is. We have some of the greatest contacts in the industry. The folks that run Cap Cana Secrets, we love the place. We did a wedding there. And then we went down and we visited something that was really went over what we expected it to be. We went to Margaritaville, Cap Cana. All we ever heard was, and we've booked a couple people there, but all we ever heard is online. Well, people complain about the beach and blah, blah. That beach was fine. They're sitting back further for the beach, but the beach is fine. It's beautiful. Waiilo Beach in Cap Cana, where the Caribbean Sea meets the island of Dominican Republic. And what is really nice is the place is beautiful. The rooms are stunning. The colors, the interior is very pleasant, very islandy. The drinks and the food were awesome. They have a great adults only section. I have all the videos you need from that property. Now I'm doing a new thing now where I put a video out, but it's gonna be like the lead-in room, and then when you're ready to book with me, because I have to have these videos from my clients or people who want to be my clients. I can't have them just out there getting taken away from us. So there's a benefit to booking with us. Plus we go there, and I got a great contact there. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna have a contact, so you can have a better experience. So we have videos, new videos from Cap Cana. I think I got every room category just about now. A video of Secrets Cap Cana. I've been there so many times, but it never lets us down. We went to the brand new Margarita Cap Cana. We went to the Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana. And then we came home, and then we went down to Mexico, and we stayed at the brand new Secrets Impression Moxche. And we saw that because we stayed at the Secrets Moxche back in June, a few months ago. I guess it's coming up on a year. And the Impression finally opened up in December of 22. So we went there, we stayed there, and we got we have all the videos from that place too. So if you're interested in that, we have all these videos. Just so you know, let me know when you're ready to book. If you're an existing client, let me know what video you'd like to see and when you want to go. If you're a new client, I do need some basic information. So text me, call me, email me. And then we went and visited an exciting thing called the brand new Secrets Impression Isla Mujeres. They're about 85% done. They're scheduled to open up in the end of May. I have a video of a suite that they had ready for our videos. I can't put that public at all. They don't want me to till they're open, but I have it. If you're interested in going there, make sure you let us know. I love that place. It's beautiful. We were really impressed by that. And then we also went to the brand new Royalton Splash, a beautiful family resort with an awesome lazy river, water park, and more. I got videos of those suites as well. And I got a really great video. Anybody out there wants to do like a family reunion or something really big, they have a chairman's suite there. I got a beautiful video of it. It is really, really nice. We thought they did a great job with that. Did I miss anything, Amanda? I think I got it all. So we do have videos that are private for our clients or future clients only. So don't be fooled by what you see there. If you're ready to book, and remember, it's key, ready to book. We tried, like yesterday, I had a honeymoon couple call me. They were stressing out about all the different choices. We had them figured out and booked in less than an hour. I mean, I send them some nice videos. I give them the best option for their budget. And we take care of you the whole way till your honeymoon, your vacation, whatever is complete. We never leave you. We don't just take your money and disappear. We're always successful. Customer service is our thing. Did I miss anything?
No.
So Hermitage Bay, always call me for that. I have that's just our favorite in Antigua.
We have special on that.
Yeah, we have a special on there exclusive for KVS Travel clients bookings. We have the review. So we have Secrets Cap Cana, all them videos. We have the brand new Margaritaville Cap Cana, Hyatt Zilara, and there's a Ziva there. And then we came home and we got Secrets Impression Moxche, Secrets Moxche, and the brand new Secrets Isla Mujeres, and the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun.
And we also have special like couples in Jamaica.
There's a special going on right now? Oh yeah, we do. We do have a special. They always have something going on, plus we have an extra special. Sorry, we do? Oh. So, but they're always running some kind of promotion. We do love couples. It's a different kind of experience. It's not gonna have swim outs, but they are.
It's a scuba paradise.
It's scuba, it's island, it's beachy. A lot of things are included that other all-inclusives don't include. So when you're ready, And like I said, destination wedding, honeymoon, vacation, anniversary, family trip. I gotta tell you, a couple of rooms like that, the Chairman Suite, perfect for like a corporate too. Because in these rooms, these larger suites, and Margaritaville had the Jimmy Buffett suite too. When you get these suites, you can bring your other workers, put them in regular rooms, and then you can have meetings. And this way, it saves you money. Because a lot of times they want to rent you these outrageous charges for these meeting rooms, these board rooms to use for stuff. Here, you just bring them up to your suite.
And you get
You
to
order
enjoy
food.
the suite too.
Yeah, you order your food, get drinks, have your meetings, and then go enjoy. I mean, let me know. We're
Yeah. So
professionals. Yeah,
we personally travel to all these places.
Yeah.
So
If you see this video and it was sent to you not by me, why would you use that person that has to use my videos to sell you these rooms? Come on, book with a professional that sees these places and I have contacts at every place. I won't book a resort if I don't have a good contact there to watch over my clients. I won't do it.
and
Thank
we
you.
have a contact at all the good resorts.
Yeah, I'm really picky. I mean, you're not going to ever call me and hear something that other like travel agencies will offer you. They'll just pull up on a book and they'll be like, oh, the Iberostar or the Rio. I mean, that is just them not knowing the details of anything. So I look forward to hearing from you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name, number, all that's on there. So give me a call.